welcome back to my channel. It's Gillian here, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'll be showing you guys how I moved. So I went to school in Mankato. I attended Minnesota State University Mankato. So I just graduated in May, and I have to move up to the Twin Cities in Minneapolis for a new job. So that's pretty much why I'm moving. I am filming this right now on the 25th of July. I've been moving all month long. I mean, not moving all month long, but I've been trying to furnish my apartment all month long. So yeah, I moved in on the 1st of July. So I'm just gonna put short vlogs or clips of how I moved. And this is gonna be a part series video because I'm not done furnishing the apartment, and there's some parts of the apartment that I want to switch up, like the kitchen and the patio, or the deck as you would call it. So yeah, so like I said, it's gonna be a part video. So for this part one, it's gonna be the moving in and setting up of some of my furniture. And y'all, when I tell y'all this is a move on a budget, trust me guys, it's a move on a budget. So the last part of the series or of the videos is gonna be a tour, and in the tour I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff I bought, how much I bought them, and just to show y'all how much of a budget I was on and how I kept to it and how I furnished my whole apartment on a budget. So without further ado, we're just gonna go straight into the video, and I'll see you guys once I'm done with this part. Hey guys, so today's moving day. I look like a mess. This is the second trip that I've made down to Mankato to Minneapolis in one day. I hate driving, and I've never done this before, so this is really a stretch for me. But I wanted to move everything in my car, and I wanted to move in one day, so did it. Yeah, so I didn't move furniture or anything. Pretty much the only furniture item I think I moved was my coffee table, which y'all gonna see once I put it in the apartment and I show you guys the whole apartment. But yeah, so right now it's 9 p.m. Yeah, it's 9 p.m. and I started moving at 8 a.m. this morning. It's crazy. But yeah, so this is the second trip. Like I said, the first trip I'll put a picture of what all the stuff that I fit in my car. Like, it was crazy. But as y'all can see, my car is pretty full. I don't even know if I can see the back. I can see a little bit, but not too much. So hopefully I can get there before it gets too dark. But yes, so I'm so excited moving to my first apartment alone, having to pay all the bills alone. So hopefully everything goes on well, but yeah, super excited, can't wait to get there. So basically, since I didn't carry most of my furniture, I ordered all of my furniture online, like my bed, the couch. My couch is being dropped off tomorrow, but yeah, I ordered pretty much most of my stuff online, so they're gonna come in the box, and I don't have to pay you all. I don't have to worry about delivery or transportation of my whole big bed and stuff like that. So that's actually kind of nice. And most of my stuff I bought them from Amazon, so that way I could save up a lot. But yeah, most of my stuff, they're not super cheap, but I mean they're affordable. So it's kind of getting dark, so that's why you guys can't see clearly, and I'm driving in the forest. But I'll give you guys a tour of the apartment tomorrow. So I mean most of the stuff will be in, but I'll just give you guys a quick tour of a somewhat empty apartment. So y'all stay tuned for that, okay? That's hello and goodbye. This is the kitchen. Had cabinets repainted, and then got more storage down there. Dishwasher and all other stuff. I already put some stuff in the cabinets in the fridge, so. But yeah, got my trash can, so that's what the kitchen looks like. My marble flooring. This is my dining section. My dining table's coming later in the day, so. And then this is my living room. My couch and everything still coming. I got this little cute plant that I still have to, do everything, but yeah. And then this is my balcony. Have a little playground outside, but yeah. So that's pretty much that. And then we have this little hallway and more storage in here. Got my linen closet. Y'all, this linen closet is huge, but yeah. Got my linen closet right here. And then got one of my bathrooms. I look a mess, but yeah. I already started putting stuff in, so that's why it kind of looks crazy. But yeah, again, I'm gonna be going with a gray theme, so that's why almost all of my stuff is gonna be gray or white. So this is the first bedroom. Excuse all my stuff, right, guys? But yes, I moved in some stuff already. Still unboxes. Gonna be unboxing a lot of this stuff today. And then this is the master bedroom. Got our AC, and pretty much this is how the room looks. And then I got my closets and another half bathroom. So this is one of the closets. I still gotta put my stuff in. And then this is the half bathroom. Still gotta put all my stuff in. So yeah. and the bed frame came today. So I'm going to be putting those up, and a painting I just got from Goodwill. So I will most definitely be putting up this stuff today, and then a little lamp, nightstand lamp that I got from Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, it's about to be up, guys. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and I apologize because last night my friend came over and she helped me mount the bed, and it was late at night, so we did not want to record the process because it took us a while to put this bed together. And then I had to like open up the mattress and let it sit for like 24 hours so it could blow up properly. And then, you know, so it's the next day and I'm just cleaning and then putting everything together. Here, getting stuff, getting trash cans, flowers, mirror, you know, home stuff. But yeah, here at IKEA, picking up stuff, y'all. IKEA is so freaking expensive, but you know, got some stuff. As y'all could see, moving was not easy. I had to move most of my stuff in my car, which was pretty tedious. But again, it was okay because I was not moving any furniture items. So that kind of actually worked out pretty good. So yeah, yep, moving in was insane, but I'm glad I moved. I had friends help me set up my furniture, and I apologize that I could not put clips of people helping me out put up furniture because I mean it was late at night sometimes and some people just don't want to be on camera. So I apologize for that. But yeah, so far right now their apartment is pretty much good. It's just a little few touches that I still want, like just a few decor pieces that I want. And for the second part of the video, it's gonna be my kitchen transformation. I'll show you guys how I transform my kitchen from a basic to a really cute kitchen. I mean, to me, because the way I like my space, I want it to look neat, have like a color theme and all. So yep, if you want to see how I switched up my kitchen, stay tuned for part 2. And thank you so much for watching. if you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions about any of the furniture pieces that I show in this video, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer all of y'all's questions. And in case you're wondering, before you go and asking me about my hair and lashes, it's from Gansey Fame. It's from my company. I wear only my stuff for now, but you know, yeah. But yeah, thanks again so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Snapchat and Twitter and Facebook and Snapchat and TikTok. Y'all follow us, okay? And please subscribe. Like, seriously, guys, it's free. Just do it. It doesn't cost you any money. I mean, if you're coming back, that means you love the content. I mean, even if you don't love the content, you probably love seeing my face. So please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.